guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you all how to achieve this beautiful timeless classic makeup look. This is a makeup look that goes with every single outfit of your choice, any color, and it goes on any occasion, wedding, dawat, mehndi, barat, anything. It's gonna look amazing and it's not too overboard. It's simple and subtle yet glam. So if you want to learn how to achieve this beautiful makeup look, then please keep watching. So to begin with, I have taken this cream eyeshadow by Maven Beauty. This is in the shade Alpaca. This is a really nice creamy eyeshadow. Basically, I use it for my eyeshadow base. It's a very nice light color for my eyelids. This way, my eyelids are ready for the eyeshadow. It's a cream eyeshadow, so you have to blend it out really nicely. So as you guys can see, it's like a tube like this. So you take a little bit, apply it like so, and then take a fluffy brush, any brush of your choice, and just blend it on your eyes. This gives a nice base for your eyeshadow colors, so when you apply your upcoming eyeshadow colors, this will pop. Next, I'm gonna begin with this eyeshadow palette right here. This is the Maven Beauty Basic Beat Soft Blend eyeshadow, and I love the shades in this. They are super nice and soft, perfect for your daily use. I am gonna go in with this shade right here and take a brush just like this and put it in my crease. As you guys can see, it's super pigmented, so they're really nice eyeshadows. The quality is super good. So I'm just putting it in my crease and blending it outwards. It's very important to blend properly to get a nice finish in your eyeshadow look, in your makeup look. Blending is the main thing. Now I'm going to deepen up the crease a little bit. I want to add a little bit more color. This will add more depth to my eye. It will give a nice shape to this crease of my eye and give me a nice little look. So for that, I'm going to deepen it up using a shade from this eyeshadow palette. This is the Basic Beat Medium Blend eyeshadow, and I am gonna take this dark shade right here. I really love these shades. These are the perfect transition shades for your crease. So I take the shade, tap off the excess, the most important thing ever, and go into my crease like so, and very carefully just place it into my crease and blend it lightly. Make sure to hold the brush from the end and use very little pressure. You don't have to be aggressive when it comes to blending. You want to make sure you have nice and firm pressure. We don't want to go harsh. Same way I'm gonna do it over here. Very lightly taking a fluffy brush for blending and placing the shade into my crease and softly blending these shades out and just defining the crease very beautifully. And there we go. Very easy to blend and very easy to create. Next up, I'm gonna add glitter to this simple yet stunning eye look, and I'm gonna take this beautiful Asteroid Tears by Maven Beauty, and this is in the shade Supermoon. It's amazing. It comes like this. This is what it looks like. Really nice. And I'm just gonna apply it all over my lid. It is amazing. It's so pigmented and the color is to die for. Wow. Same way, I'm gonna take it and apply it all over my eyelid, just like this. So easy to apply. It adds drama to your look and it just looks amazing. Now I'm gonna use my fingers to just blend it out because we just want everything to look seamless and beautiful. Wow, look at the shimmer. It just makes everything look stunning. Wow, I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna take my transition shades that I kept in my crease and bring them down here at my lower lash line and blend them out and make them look like a nice snatched look. So for the dark shade, which I'm gonna keep under my lower lash line, I am gonna go in with the same eyeshadow palette, which is the Basic Beat Medium Blend. Take the dark color that is over here, take a pencil brush like this. We need a nice pencil brush. Place it over here at my lower lash line. This is my favorite step. Once you place something in your lower lash line, the eyeshadow just completes the whole look. And as you guys can see, I'm placing it here and then bringing it outwards. And this time I'm holding the brush like this. We want more control and we really want to apply it properly. As you guys can see, it's literally snatching my eye upwards. Same way, I'm gonna go in with my other eye. Apply the dark shade over here in my lower lash line and then bring it outwards to snatch the eye. And then I will go in with the light shade, which is the Basic Beat Soft Blend, and take this shade right here. Tap off the excess and then place it exactly where I placed the dark shade. This way we just blend everything out nicely and beautifully. Now I'm quickly gonna apply my lashes and come back. Alright, so I have applied these falsies and we're getting somewhere with the look. Now as you all can see over here, you can actually see my eyelash glue, but don't worry, we have a solution for this. This is very common, you know, when you apply eyelash, you actually have the eyelash glue over there and it kind of looks messy, but there's a way to conceal it and I'm going to show you how. So for this, you are going to need a good black dark eyeliner which is waterproof, and I have that over here. This is also by Maven Beauty. This is their waterproof liquid eyeliner in the shade black, and guys, this is magical. Now let me show you what you can do to conceal this eyelash. So here we have the eyeliner. What I'm gonna do is apply this eyeliner literally on top of the lash line, and look, it literally disappeared. So this way you actually easily can conceal the eyelash glue very easily. The look actually looks even nicer and no one can actually tell where the eyelash glue is. This is a hack. Now what I'm going to do is take the same eyeliner once again and apply it in the inner corners of my eye right here. Let me show you over here, just like this. Very lightly, because I just want to connect the eyelash to this eyeliner over here, as you guys can see, just like this. And over here as well, I will conceal the eyelash glue by applying this eyeliner on top of the lash line. There we go. Actually, I want to make it a little bit dramatic, so what I'm going to do is take a black eye pencil. You can take any pencil of your choice. I have this over here, and I'm gonna just apply this in my waterline over here. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna quickly do my foundation, concealer, powder, everything, and come back in a second. So I'll be back. Bam! This girl is snatched. So I just did my foundation, my concealer, my blush, and my bronzer. Now we have the amazing part left, and that is the highlighter part. And for today's highlighter, I will be using the Maven Beauty highlighter. I'm gonna use the shade Dripped Out. I love this shade. It's a beautiful golden shade, just like this. I love that it comes with a mirror, makes life so much easier. So what I'm gonna do is take a little bit, tap off the excess, and wow, this is the definition of glistening, shining. It is the best highlighter I've used till date. It matches your skin tone like a dream, and it's just perfect. I'm applying it on my cheekbones over here. Oh my god, I am obsessed. Now is the final part, and the final part is the lipstick. And for lipstick, I am obviously gonna take the Maven Beauty lipstick, but let me guess which color I'm gonna take. So we have a nice golden look, and with that we need a nice let's see which lipstick I'm gonna choose. Wait. So guys, I'm a little confused with the lipstick. I've been trying on different lipstick shades, but I don't know which one looks best. Like right now I have a a nice brown nude lipstick, but I feel red is gonna look the best, so I might try red. The Maven red lipstick is also such a stunning red shade, and I think with the golden eye, red just looks the best. So we're gonna give red a try, and if I love red, then we're definitely going with red because we need drama. And I think, oh wow, this definitely is it. We're done, guys. There you have it. This right here is my final look. Now I'm gonna just change my dress, change my jewelry, fix my hair, and come back to show you the actual final look. And this right here is my final look, you guys. I've got my jhumkas in. I hope they're called jhumkas, my earrings, and I've got my nice little yellow joda on. And yeah, this is the final look. I hope you like it. The red lip, the golden eyes. I will put the links to every single product that I've used in the description box below, so you can check that out. Shop these products. They're exclusively available on fashionnova.com. Really love how this look turned out. I'm so happy. I want to zoom in a little bit to show you all the makeup finish. Look at the red lip and the eyeshadow. I hope you all liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my page. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video. So until next time, goodbye.